So we start out today's video with someone who has shoulder length hair. Looks like she has some grown out color here. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous asymmetrical pixie style. I love the way that the color looks within the cut. She looks absolutely amazing. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more long to short transformations. So here we have someone with hair just above their shoulders. Looks like the stylist might be doing a cut refresh for this one. Cutting the hair into a nice bob style. Gorgeous. I love the color. It's like a nice, pretty ginger tone. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Wow, she has such beautiful hair. Looks like she trimmed things up and got a nice little mullet here, kind of like a shaggy mullet variation. Beautiful baby bangs in the front, and I'm loving this ginger copper color that she has for the hair. Very nice. So here we have someone in once again for maybe a cut refresh. Oh, she's getting some color done. Very nice blonde. And she did get a little bit of a trim on the cut as well. Beautiful pixie style. So we have someone here with long mid-back length hair. Wow. Beautiful asymmetrical pixie with an undercut. Nice design going there on the side. Absolutely amazing. And then we see someone with shoulder length gray hair, well, hair just above the shoulders. And she ended up getting a nice pixie style. Loving the feathered bangs with this one. So here we have someone with hair just around the shoulders. Some gray roots. And she got a nice trim and some color. Beautifully done. And then we have someone in once again for a cut refresh. She's got the two-toned color trend going on with the hair, blonde at the top and black in the back. Stylist does a nice little trim here. Very nice, fresh pixie haircuts. Beautiful. And then we have another pixie style. Now this one is more of like a pixie bob. She's got the beautiful blonde color going. Very nice. Bangs to frame out the face, a little bit of a tassel look, just a tad. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.